Lesson: Continuous monitoring and governance in blockchain networks. Continuous monitoring and governance in blockchain networks represent a critical component in ensuring security, transparency, and regulatory compliance. As blockchain technology matures, the need for robust monitoring and governance frameworks becomes increasingly essential to manage the complex and decentralized nature of these systems effectively. This lesson will delve into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to address real-world challenges in blockchain auditing and reporting. Blockchain networks are inherently decentralized, which introduces unique challenges in monitoring and governance. Continuous monitoring involves real-time surveillance of network activities to detect anomalies, validate transactions, and ensure compliance with established protocols. Effective governance, on the other hand, refers to the structured processes and rules that guide network operations and decision-making. Together, these elements are crucial in maintaining the integrity and trustworthiness of blockchain systems. One practical tool for continuous monitoring is blockchain analytics software. These tools provide insights into network activities by analyzing transaction patterns, identifying suspicious behavior, and generating real-time alerts. For instance, Chainalysis offers a suite of analytics tools that facilitate transaction monitoring and risk assessment. By leveraging such tools, organizations can detect fraudulent activities and ensure compliance with anti-money laundering and know-your-customer regulations. In addition to analytics software, smart contract auditing tools are essential in continuous monitoring. Smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, can introduce vulnerabilities if not properly audited. Tools like MythX and Trail of Bits provide automated security analysis for smart contracts, identifying potential vulnerabilities and ensuring that contracts behave as intended. This proactive approach to auditing helps prevent security breaches and enhances the reliability of blockchain applications. Frameworks for governance in blockchain networks are equally important. One widely recognized framework is the Ethereum Improvement Proposal process, which allows community members to propose, discuss, and implement changes to the Ethereum network. This participatory governance model ensures that network upgrades are transparent and inclusive, fostering innovation while maintaining stability. By adopting similar frameworks, blockchain networks can balance the need for innovation with the requirement for oversight. A case study that highlights the significance of continuous monitoring and governance is the 2016 DAO attack on the Ethereum network. The DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, suffered a significant security breach due to vulnerabilities in its smart contract code. This incident resulted in the theft of approximately $60 million worth of Ether. The Ethereum community responded by implementing a controversial hard fork to recover the stolen funds, underscoring the need for robust monitoring and governance mechanisms to prevent similar incidents. Statistics further emphasize the importance of continuous monitoring and governance. According to a report by CipherTrace, cryptocurrency thefts, hacks, and frauds totaled $1.9 billion in 2020, highlighting the persistent security risks in blockchain networks. These figures demonstrate the urgent need for effective monitoring and governance strategies to safeguard digital assets and maintain trust in blockchain systems. To enhance proficiency in continuous monitoring and governance, professionals can implement a step-by-step approach. First, they should conduct a comprehensive risk assessment to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities within the network. This assessment should consider factors such as transaction volume, user behavior, and regulatory requirements. Next, organizations can deploy blockchain analytics and smart contract auditing tools to continuously monitor network activities and detect anomalies. Once monitoring tools are in place, establishing a governance framework is crucial. This framework should outline the processes for decision-making, conflict resolution, and protocol upgrades. It should also define the roles and responsibilities of network participants, ensuring accountability and transparency. By involving stakeholders in the governance process, Organizations can foster a collaborative environment that encourages participation and innovation. Finally, continuous monitoring and governance should be complemented by regular audits and reporting. Audits provide an independent assessment of network activities, verifying compliance with security and regulatory standards. Reporting, on the other hand, involves disseminating audit findings and network performance metrics to stakeholders. This transparency builds trust and confidence in the network, attracting more participants and facilitating growth. In conclusion, continuous monitoring and governance in blockchain networks are essential for ensuring security, transparency, and compliance. By leveraging practical tools such as blockchain analytics software and smart contract auditing tools, organizations can detect anomalies and prevent security breaches. Governance frameworks, like the Ethereum Improvement Proposal process, provide structured processes for decision-making and protocol upgrades. Real-world examples, such as the DAO attack, underscore the importance of robust monitoring and governance mechanisms. Statistics on cryptocurrency thefts further highlight the need for effective strategies to protect digital assets. By following a step-by-step approach to risk assessment, tool deployment, and governance framework establishment, professionals can enhance their proficiency in this subject and contribute to the integrity and trustworthiness of blockchain networks.